I just did part of this lesson and had trouble with the video, so I'm going to explain what I have written here and then pause to let you write it. So just listen with me for a moment. Topic 12, lesson 13, is about multiplication and division of expressions with algebraic expressions. Our I can statement is I can and will find a rule and write a multiplication or division sentence. So if I look at this table where Lauren and Julie have acquired some numbers, my word problem example would be Lauren and Julie played a math game. The table shows Lauren's numbers and Julie's numbers. Write a rule and expression. I actually wanted to see how the pen would work with cursive, and it did okay, but my handwriting is terrible, so we'll go back to writing in print. In the in box, you see 6. In the out box, you see 18. In the in box, you see 12. In the out box, you see 36. In box 14, out box 42. In box 20, out box 60. What I notice is the numbers are getting larger. So it must be an operation that allows numbers to get larger. That's either addition or multiplication. I look at the first expression and I know a math fact. 6 times 3 is 18. So I'm going to say my rule is y times 3. And I just picked y as a variable because I can pick any letter I want. This has to be true for every situation. So I check to see if it is. Yes, 12 times 3 is 36. 14 times 3 is 42. And 20 times 3 equals 60. So I've proven that this is in fact my rule. I'll pause to let you write this information and we'll show another example. Our second example, I'll just put example. Okay. Our second example would be a table. Actually, write it a little lower so we can go across with our information. Now let's say I'm going to call my variable P. And I see 20 and 10, 40 and 20, 80 and some number. I don't know what this number is, so I'm going to have to identify what this number is. Now my rule I can identify is P divided by 2. So if my rule is P divided by 2, then 20 divided by 2 is equal to 10. 40 divided by 2 is equal to 20. So 80 divided by 2 would be equal to 40. So to answer my question, that would be 40. And I would place 40 in this area. Pause. Let's look at 2 more examples to work for homework. So here's our homework. Let's say we have a table. H. (32 and 4), 40 and 5, 48 and 6, and I'm looking for the answer to the question. Okay? So we see the rule here as what? So write your rule is H divided by what? So first you have to find out your rule, and then you have to identify what number goes in this spot. Okay? Here's another homework example. Two and 16, 3 and some unknown number, 4 and 32. So we are looking for our rule. What is our rule? And then we are looking for what number fills in the question mark. Okay? So please work these two problems. We'll check them tomorrow. Have a great day.